Jumpstart your projects. A guide to getting ahead. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase, jumpstart a project. This expression is not only popular in business contexts but also in everyday English conversations. Understanding phrases like this can enhance your language skills and help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's get started. To jumpstart a project means to start it quickly or to give it a sudden boost of energy or enthusiasm after a period of inactivity. Imagine a car that won't start because its battery is dead. Using another car's battery, you can jumpstart it, making it run again. Similarly, when a project is not moving forward, giving it a jumpstart means doing something that will kick it into gear and move it towards completion. Understanding how to use this phrase in sentences can help you apply it correctly in your conversations or writing. Here are a few examples. 1. We need to jumpstart this project by having a brainstorming session with the team. 2. The new manager was able to jumpstart the delayed construction project by reallocating resources efficiently. 3. After months of stagnation, a significant investment from an angel investor jumpstarted the tech startup. These examples show how the phrase can be used in various contexts, emphasizing the initiation or revitalization of projects. Knowing phrases like jumpstart a project can be incredibly beneficial for several reasons. It allows you to communicate more effectively in professional settings. It helps you understand the nuances of the English language, making you a better listener and speaker. It enables you to express ideas more dynamically and creatively. We hope this video has helped you understand what it means to jumpstart a project, and how you can use this phrase in your daily English conversations and professional communications. Remember, learning English is a journey, and every new phrase you learn is a step forward. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful English learning videos. See you next time.